Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tran Tai from Tran Tai Marketing. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post thousands of comments into Facebook groups of your choice. This is a super simple way to share and promote your content quickly and effectively. First, go to the comment feature section. Next, click on the first option, which is comment. Here, you can set up the parameters, choose the content you want the tool to post as comments automatically. Then, paste in your list of Facebook groups where you want to spread the comments. If you don't know how to get a list of groups, I already made a video showing you how to scan and collect them. You can find it on my channel. Next, you can adjust the other settings however you like. Then, select the Facebook accounts you want to use. And finally, just click the Start button, and the software will automatically post thousands of comments across all your selected groups for you. Anyone interested, please contact directly via the contact information I leave below in the comments.